Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So this is the third part of the stock market simulation, or in the last part we saw that how to create multiple charts for the multiple stocks as well, or there we have created the like background services or all such things will be passed we have crossed through the SignalR. Okay, now in this video we will see that how to scale this application using the RabbitMQ. Or today's topic is very important, who wants to learn scalability and even who wants to learn RabbitMQ as well. Okay, or in the real life scenarios of the stock market application, we always choose like message broker, or in this scenario we will use RabbitMQ message broker as well. Okay, so let's see that how you will do everything in this application as well. Okay, so welcome to the part 3 of this series. Or first of all, what you have to do here, we have to install the RabbitMQ in your system. Thereafter we need the Docker desktop as well. These two things is required as a tool. Okay, or I just want you request that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends, your colleagues, network as well, and hit the like button. Oh guys, there is a one important thing that make sure that your desktop application is installed in system already. Okay, now what you have to do here, just you have to go to your Google Chrome or search for command like you have to search for installing RabbitMQ. Thereafter you will see this page, you will see this link, or copy this click on this link, then you will land on the documentation of this RabbitMQ, or the command that you will see, which is the docker run, or this basically just you have to copy this command. Okay, or you can open any terminal in your system. Right now I am using the command prompt, just you have to paste that command. Okay, but after hitting this command, like you have to hit the enter, or all the process will be started here. But right now I have already done all such things, so I don't do again. Okay, but guys, there is a one important thing that suppose while hitting the enter you see error like make address kind of error, like make devices kind of error, TLS error. So guys, there is like you have to switch your internet connection. If you are if you are using the public Wi-Fi, so you have to shift to the mobile hotspot as well. Okay, so this is why, like in this way you can remove this error as well. Okay, and in the 90% cases your like you won't face any issues while installing this RabbitMQ image in your system as well. Okay, now after such things you will see the things all the like your RabbitMQ is running now after all the successful installation of your image. Okay, or thereafter what you have to do here, you have to go to the Docker desktop, go to your containers, or you will see the link which is the port number 15672, or just open this link on this page. If you see this RabbitMQ dashboard, so congratulations guys, you have hit a very like your first milestone to achieve these things as well. Okay, now we will proceed in this dashboard further. Now first of all, what you have to do here, we have to do some basic coding to connect your RabbitMQ in your system as well. Thereafter we will see let how to work with such things as well. So basically I will just go to here, or I will add a new folder for the services folder, RabbitMQ services. So I will add or MQ service, I will name this folder as a MQ service, so MQ service. Okay, or there is a package is required to work with the RabbitMQ functionalities as well in your coding. So open the NuGet package manager in your system, in your application. Thereafter you will have to search for the RabbitMQ client, or this RabbitMQ client packages will consist of some features regarding exchange, queues, publisher, consumer, all the things like all such functionalities it contains in this package as well. So thereafter what you have to do here, you have to install this package, or we will install the package in the version 6. Okay, so search for the RabbitMQ.client, or while you search this thing, you have to select your application. I will install the version 6.3.0. okay, because I am friendly with this version as well, so I will just install this package in my system, in my application, or after the installation we will start working on the new get package as well. Okay, so let's see that have I installed this package perfectly. Yeah, the RabbitMQ client is installed successfully in my system. Now what you have to do here, first of all you have to create the RabbitMQ publisher, or this publisher will like publish your content to the queue. Okay, so let's create a new class which I would name it as a RabbitMQ publisher. That's good. Or just save this file, or we will get this new class. Or now you have to inject the two interfaces for the RabbitMQ. So let's see like what are the interfaces that you have to use here. First interface that we are using as a I model, or the second interface we will use as a I connection. So first I will use I connection, or it is it is coming from the RabbitMQ.client. That's good. Or now the second uh, interfaces that I want to inject, which is the I model. That's good. Or underscore I model is initialized here. Now it's time to initialize it's time to create a constructor here. So the we have created the constructor. Now it's time to create the factory connection for the RabbitMQ server as well. So we will initialize the factory, or basically I will just for write the things like factory connection, CONNECTION factory. Okay, or this connection factory have the host name. Okay, so the host name that we right now, the our host name is a local host, because we are working on the local machine. That's it. Okay, or just you have to create this connection factory. Now the second thing that we will we will assign the connection value in this factory as well. So connection equals to factory dot create connection. So dot create connection. Now we have set up the connection, or the connection is initialized there. Now we have to create the channel as well. So I don't want in most of the scenarios we put it as a model. Okay, but we call it as channel as well. So this is the channel that I want to initialize here, paste it here. Or basically you have to write the connection dot create model. At every instantiation it will assign all the things as well. We will see how to create a queue related things as well. Like you have to create the queue in this channel as well. So the queue, the channel that we are creating here, which is the queue declare. So this is the queue declaration that we are doing here. So basically there are multiple things that you have to initialize here. Okay, or now the first parameter that I want to send, which is the let me write the things. Okay, queue name. So the queue name that I want to give it as a stock queue. So this is the stock queue that I want to give this as a queue name. Or we will create the queue in the RabbitMQ dashboard as well, that we have seen already there. Okay, now it's time to write the durable. I would keep it as a false. Okay, we are working on the local machine, so just you have to keep these things as a false. Okay, all the properties I would keep it as a false. Auto delete. So you if like you do you want to delete your queue automatically? No, I don't want to delete my queue automatically. Or the arguments, if you like do you want to pass such arguments as well? So I at this moment I don't want to pass any arguments in this queue as well. So we have like initialize the queue as well. Now it's time to create the publish method, or this publish method will take the like your parameter as an object, or this object will be queue as well. Okay, like your data will be queue using this publish method as well. Okay, so public void, so publish method that I am going to create, or the any type of data I want to share. So this is why I am taking it as a object as well. Okay, now we have to do here. Okay, so basically first of all I will get the JSON data as well. So JSON serializer, so we have JSON serializer dot serialize. So we will serialize our data. Thereafter what you have to do here, we have to create the byte array as well through this JSON string. So encoding dot utf8 dot get bytes of this get byte methods accept the string data. So we have the JSON string data. Now it's time to publish your data in the channel. Like we have the channel. So now we will create the basic publish. So we have the basic publish method here. Or in this method, it is required to send the parameters as well. So we have to name it as like we have to send the exchange, routing key, mandatory, basic properties. Like you have to send a lot of things here. Okay, so first that we are sending like exchange. So at this moment I will keep it as empty. Or the second routing key. So yes, we have the routing key as a stock queue. Okay, or we will set up, like you will be surprised at how this queue will be mapped in the dashboard as well. I will let you know later in this video. So basic properties, so keep it as a null, or the body that I want to share, like I want to send here, which is the body parameter that we have created here. So this is the body the publisher method is created there. Now let's go there or log in the RabbitMQ dashboard. In the local system, the username and password it is a guest as well. Okay, so let me zoom in for you so that you can see it clearly. So guest, so password is guest and username is also guest. Okay, just log in the dashboard, or this is the dashboard of the RabbitMQ. Let's zoom out the things. There are a lot of options, lot of tabs are available. So first of all, you have to create the exchange of your RabbitMQ dashboard. Okay, so I will create the RabbitMQ stock queue. Okay, so this is the queue name. Or while you go there, so you have to click the add exchange. So it is telling me like name is required, so paste this thing, or we have added this stock queue. Now it's time to go to the queue and stream section, or in this queue and stream section I will add a new stream as well. Okay, so we have added a stock queue. Click on this stock queue button, or thereafter in the binding section you have to bind your queue as well. Okay, so first of all you have to write the things like from exchange. So the exchange guys, like we are on the top mat, like you can ask me directly anything regarding your .NET career, .NET mentorship. If you want the personal guidance with me, okay, or like I will give the expert level advice in the .NET. Okay, like where you should start your journey in the .NET as well, or like if you are the college student, so you can ask me directly there. Okay, or if you are preparing for the .NET interview, or like you are not able to clear the interviews as well, or even you can ask me like how to create the resume as well. Like sometimes you are like you have like a lot of potential in your skills, your knowledge. Okay, like you are not able to get any single call as well. Okay, so resume plays an important role, guys, please trust me. Okay, if your resume is not good, so definitely like recruiter will not call you. Okay, or like you won't get the email for the interview as well. So this is the thing that you have to understand regarding like is the purpose of this topmat platform that I have given to you. Or if you want to ask me anything, so don't hesitate, or book your session. You will definitely take a lot of guidance from me as well. Okay, is so we have created the exchange, so go there or open this thing. So we have the exchange here, or paste open this thing or paste your exchange here, or the routing key as it is, like the routing key that you are defining here. Okay, so just you have to the routing key we have defined, which is the stock queue. So please keep these thing or this thing similar, or this thing or this thing that is defined in the exchange should be similar. Now it's time to bind such things as well, or we have binded the queue. Okay, or you will see that the queue and the queue is binded there. Okay, now we will process the background services for the publish your data there. Okay, so I will add a new class, or the class name that I want to add, stock producer service. Okay, but this stock producer service will have the background service. Okay, so show potential fixes, or just implement this abstract class. Okay, or I will remove this thing. First of all, let's inject your RabbitMQ publisher class that we have created there. Okay, so private read only, or RabbitMQ publisher. Okay, or we have the RabbitMQ publisher. That's good. So first of all, I will require the constructor as well, because we have to inject this thing as well. So RabbitMQ publisher, we have added this thing, RabbitMQ publisher equals to RabbitMQ publisher. That's good. Now let's see that how you will fill such things as well. So go to your stock services that we have created earlier. Okay, so I will copy this thing, or yes, I need everything from here. Okay, or whatever the data is going there, we need such things as well. Okay, so underscore RabbitMQ publisher dot publish method, or in this publish method I will send the stock list. Okay, or we have the stock list. Okay, so while loop stock list, that's good. Or task dot delay, or I will publish all the tasks in the delay of 1 second. At every second my task will be published, like my stock list will be published in the queue. That's good. Now it is asking me that like something I have missed here. Okay, so I protected sync. That's good. Okay, now it's time to see that we have published our data. Now we have to consume our data as well. So how your data will be consumed? So we have to create another service to consume your data. Like your data will be extracted from the queue, or it's time to send the data in the charts as well. Okay, so what the things you will do here? Okay, so stock consumer service. Okay, like we will create this thing, or it is required to send, like it is required to like everything will be done in the background services. So we have implemented this thing, or it's time to inject your hub db context as well. So I will just copy this thing. Okay, like this thing I like this stock services I don't require it anymore. Okay, so like we will remove this thing from your code as well. Okay, your background services will be run on the RabbitMQ. So now hub context equals to hub context. Or now, or from the next thing that you would have to do here, first of all we need the factory connection here. Okay, so how you will initialize? So I will add the factory equals to new connection factory here. Okay, CO connection factory, that's good. Or we have to require the host name, so the host name is localhost, that's good. Okay, now the second thing, like we have to initialize the channel as well. So the channel that I'm not channel, it should be connection. First we have to initialize the connection. So factory dot create connection, everything is similar, or I need to run the, like I need to create the channel as well. So connection dot create model. Okay, now we have to like require the queue declaration as well. Like I will have the queue declaration. In this queue declaration, first of all I need to pass the queue name, so stock queue that we have created there. The second parameter that I want to set, like all the parameters I will keep it as a false, that's good. So all the things I have done. Now it's time to create the consumer as well. So I will add the consumer, or new event binding basic, or I will, like the consumer is coming from this channel, so we have added this channel as well. Now it's time to receive all the messages one by one every second. Okay, so consumer like received, okay, like whatever I have received from the consumer. Okay, or I will first I need to send them, like I require the model or event as well. Okay, in this event, like first of all I will try to get the data as well. Like I will try to extract data. So encoding encoding dot uf8 dot get string. Okay, or ea dot body dot to array. So we got this thing here. Now it's time to get like extra data as well. So we have like JSON serializer dot deserialize, or in which format? In the format of object, or just you have to extract your data as well. So we have extract my data. Or now it's time to like publish your data to the charts as well. So hub context underscore hub context dot clients dot all dot send async. Okay, or which was the method that we have created there, which is the receive update stocks. Okay, that's pretty good. Or as it is, we will pass the data. We have to consume our channel as well. So let's add the semicolon. So channel dot consume basic consume. Okay, or in this basic consume like which queue I want to consume. So stock queue QUEUE, or the second auto acknowledgement I want to keep it as a true, or the consumer, I have the consumer this thing, or basically task dot completed. I hope all the things we have done here properly. Okay, now it's time to register all such things here, or go to the program CS, or I don't need this add state service here. Okay, so first of all, like we will register this stock producer services here. Okay, so we have to register this service, paste it here. Now we have to register the consumer service as well. So go to this consumer service, copy this name or paste it here. Now we have to add the middleware of the RabbitMQ as well. So builder of services dot add singleton, or we have the RabbitMQ publisher. Yeah, all the setup that we have done completely here. Okay, or this stock services is in use anymore. Okay, let's keep the things as it is. Or we have like everything is done here. Okay, from my side. Okay, or let's rerun, like let's go through the things as well. So channel stock queue, durable is equals to false, exclusive auto delete. Okay, so durable is false. Okay, or go to the consumer services as well. So I want to cross check everything uh, complete. Okay, so that I won't face any issues here. Okay, so let's keep the durable as a true. Okay, or maybe your stock queue is already created there. Okay, so it is here, or durable I will keep it as a true as well, so that we won't face like any issues in the future as well. Now let's run the application, or we will check that everything is working fine or not. If anything got broken, so definitely we will fix these issues as well. So let's see, or let's run this application, or let's wait for um, response as well. So guys, I just want you to know that in your scenarios, like have you understand the process that we have followed for the RabbitMQ? Or guys, we are on the top mat. Like you can ask me directly anything regarding your .NET career, .NET mentorship. If you want the personal guidance with me, okay, or like I will give the expert level advice in the .NET. Okay, like where you should start your journey in the .NET as well, or like if you are the college students, so you can ask me directly there. Okay, or if you are preparing for the .NET interview, or like you are not able to clear the interviews as well, or even you can ask me like how to create the resume as well. Like sometimes you are like you have like a lot of potential in your skills, your knowledge. Okay, like you are not able to get any single call as well. Okay, so resume plays an important role, guys, please trust me. Okay, if your resume is not good, so definitely like recruiter will not call you. Okay, or like you won't get the email for the interview as well. So this is the thing that you have to understand regarding like what is the purpose of this top mat platform that I have given to you. Or if you want to ask me anything, so don't hesitate, or book your session. You will definitely take a lot of guidance from me as well. Okay, so like you guys, you don't need to like remember all the steps. Okay, while the practicing lot of like after a lot of practicing, you will see the things like yeah, I have understand. Okay, but all the things related to the concept as well. So now you can see that the stock market simulation is working fine, or everything is working correctly. Okay, or now there is one important thing that I want to tell you. Like we have added the durable parameter, or initially we put as a false, but I thought that somehow like you created the stock queue as a multiple times. Okay, so maybe it can give you error. Okay, so this is why I put it as a true. Okay, so guys, how you like this video, and have you understand this thing as well, or is your application running now or not? I just want to know your opinion, like how much you love this video as well. So guys, I just want to request you that please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this video to friends, to colleagues, neighbors as well, and hit the like button. So now we have completed this project as well, or in the I will try to create the fourth part of this series as well. Okay, if I feel that something is still have to tell you. Okay, so definitely we will work on that thing as well. Okay, still we haven't connected the database, so we will connect the database, or we will store these values in the database as well. Okay, or the next part will be based on this thing as well, or that that is the important thing for you as well. Okay, so till then, take care, bye bye, have a good day.